welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this is your first time, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping. In today's video I will be showing you how you can make a coffee scrub. Alright, if you are the type of person that you have a cellulite, or your skin is very dull, or you have open pores, or you have a dry skin, this coffee scrub that I'm going to share with you step by step, it will help you. And the first ingredients we're going to be using coffee. So we're going to be using lovely coffee here. I love this brand, it's very lovely. You can take as much as possible, it depends. I will recommend, if you are going to do the whole body scrub, I will recommend to use at least 3 tablespoons of coffee. Okay, if you are going to be using scrub the whole body, use 3 tablespoons of coffee. If it's one of your parts of your body or your face that is really look dull, you only need 1 teaspoon. But if you really want to do the whole body scrub, I recommend that you should use at least 3 tablespoons of coffee. As you can see, the brand I have, and it has to be good coffee. All right, we need a good coffee, a really fluffy and well blended coffee. Good coffee to do your body scrub. It helps to remove dead skin. It's very good. Coffee will help you to remove all the dead skin. It's giving youthful radiant skin. If you are looking for a very beautiful radiant skin, it's reduce a puffiness. If you have a sack, if you have a puffy eyes, or you have a bag eyes under your eyes, coffee is very good. Gentle massage a coffee scrub around your eyes area to effectively get rid of tiredness, puffy eyes. Okay, so it is very good because of the caffeine that present in the coffee restricts the blood vessel. Scrub has as a stimulant that's giving you less tired looking eyes. So it improves texture of your skin as well. If you want to get rid of the dead skin cell from your body, use coffee scrub. Okay, if your skin is very dull and you really want to get rid of the dead cell, you get use of a coffee scrub. All right, if you have a cellulite, use coffee scrub if you want to reduce the appearance of cellulite as well. So it's added a glowing to your skin. Get any brand of honey you want, guys. So we need 4 tablespoons of a good organic honey, and we all know the benefit of any citrus fruit, so I'm going to be using grape. Okay, so grape is very good for skin, especially for skin elasticity, and it's good to promote a glowing skin. If your skin look dull, grape will help you, and I love using this grape very well. Grape is very good for our skin. It gets rid of dead skin, dull skin. If your appearance is very dull, get use of a grape and coffee scrub. There's a lot of benefits there. If you have a dry skin, use coffee scrub. Skin tight guy. So if you have a dry skin, try to add a grape. As you can see, guys, I just only half of the grape, and some people I'm going to be demonstrate here how you are going to be using your coffee. If you are going to be applying this around your eyes, so you can see. So we're going to be start using it around your face, guys. I'm going to show you how you're going to be using it around your face, around your puffy area. If your skin look tiredness and you're worried what to do, don't worry, use coffee scrub with honey and grape. And this is how we're going to be using it. Coffee will make your appearance look fabulous, glowing, if you are looking for a glowing skin, use coffee scrub around all the body, or with the help of grape. Some people just dip it. Alright, if you're going to be using it to bath in the bathroom, you just use it with your grape and to help you to open up all the dead cells. It will open up all the pores, clog all the oil, and it's in the bathroom. Try to scrub all the body with the help of grape, and just rinse it. You will feel the difference immediately. You will like your appearance. It will coffee scrub added a glow into skin, to your appearance. If you have a dull skin or saggy skin or neck, it will give you a healthy, balanced skin look, youthful look. Alright, so I will be right back. So guys, you can see the radiance, you can see the glowing in my skin after rinsing it. So it will add a glowing to your skin. So it will help you to add a glow to your skin. You can see my skin, guys. So after 5-10 minutes, you just rinse it and you're gonna see the difference, guys. So if this remedy really helped you, don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye for now.